All right. Time for my 2 cents. So, the intro video to the barn that I am restoring, believed to have been built originally in 1901. My apologies for the narrated slideshow. So here's about a 7-foot loft, maybe less. Here are some of our chickens that we've got a couple of years ago. There they go in the hay door. No longer the setup. There are puppies. We'll get to the barn. There it is, before we started to touch it. So, canted queen post construction, 30 by 50. This is the northwest corner. First started to dig for the footings, and this is the whole north wall, going along the north wall. These are some culverts we put in to improve drainage, still some work to do there. You can see here how the trees are quite close to the barn. This is me getting a rock out of one of those holes, big holes. Hand dug until I got the little tractor that you guys see in some of the other videos. There it is. So, working on the north wall in the first summer. That's me in the bottom of one of the holes again. This is the north wall on the outside. We've lose about 5 feet. The wall and everything was falling pretty badly. And I was too nervous to jack it up, especially with the weight of the uncertain structure. Here's the plan: have a sill beam, sit on these footings, about 5 feet in, like I say, and go from there. Those are the first set of logs that are going to turn into timbers. This is the last of the first set, and this is the first set pretty much ready to go and already putting them on. This is one half of the northern wall, and there it is starting to be put in place with the loft. So this is going to be the new height of the loft. I'm standing on the old loft to put the new height of the loft in. I'll get some pictures of this. This is me splitting a log for the loft. This is me pulling the barn straight, literally pulling the barn straight. This is the next summer, doing the south wall now. See on the left, working on the south wall. Again, the same type of deal, footings. And there it is. That's near the man door on the south wall. Sill log right off the ground now. The barn is actually on quite a slant, so on the east side there was literally no sill log left from the original construction. Out here you can see a snapshot of the loft, new loft. There's the west old loft. There's a hip wall I put at the top of the northern wall. This is working on the southern wall. That tractor sure does a lot of work. Oh, here you can see the hoist up at the top. That's how I pulled some of the vertical timbers into place. I'm here working on the gable end, leveling some of the timbers, and then obviously putting in a gable roof where 2 garage doors will go. This is looking at some of the ash trees again around the barn. Those are pictures I took to see it before and after, because we did have, as you can see here, lumberjacks come in and clear out those trees that were brushing right up, and more than brushing, growing right against it. You're just getting some firewood, and this is recently, just last week, and this is the scene you saw me doing some milling, chainsaw milling in. You'll see the other video.